The 2024-25 football season was more than just a competition, it was a changing of the guard. Young talents rose from the shadows, took center stage and never looked back. In this video, we count down 10 players who went from maybe one day to undeniable now. This isn't just a hype, it's proof. Welcome to the biggest breakout stars of the 2024-25 football season. Kicking off our list is at number 10 we have Desiree Doué, Paris Saint-Germain. At just 19, Doué turned heads at PSG. Joining from Rennes, he quickly slotted in the midfield and brought creativity, energy and a fearlessness that elevated the team's play. With 7 goals and 9 assists, Doué wasn't just promising, he was a pivotal role in PSG's attacking dominance. At number 9, it's Ethan Nwaneri, Arsenal. Nwaneri's growth at Arsenal this season was remarkable. Trusted during their tough run of fixtures, the 17-year-old delivered maturity, poise and attacking flair. With 7 goals and a standout performance in the North London derby, Nwaneri proved he belongs on the big stage. Number 8, Amad Diallo, Manchester United. After years of limited minutes, Amad Diallo finally flourished at Old Trafford. His creativity on the wing added sparks to United offense, while his 9-goal and 7 assists reminded everyone why the club signed him in the first place. Number 7, Morgan Rogers, Aston Villa. Morgan Rogers was the surprise package for the Villa. His dynamic forward play produced 12 goals and 6 assists before injury cut his season short. Despite that, he helped propel Villa into serious contention and showed he's ready for the top level. Number 6, Dean Huijsen, Bournemouth and Spain national team. Dean Huijsen made a huge impact on the Bournemouth and in the Spain international team. On the 19-year-old centre-back brought composure and confidence to Premier League. His height, passing range and defensive awareness made him a standout and a hot topic at Europe. Number 5, Marc Casado, Barcelona. Barcelona needed stability and Casado provided it. Stepping up from Barca, he slotted seamlessly into midfield with excellent passing and defensive positioning. With a nearly 90% pass completion rate and calmness under pressure, he became a key figure for Hansi Flick's side. Number 4, Kobbie Mainoo, Manchester United. Mainoo's rise was a rare bright spot in a troubled season for United. His maturity in midfield, intelligent movement and 4 crucial goal establishment him as more than just a prospect. He's now an England contender and a core player for Ruben Amorim. Number 3, Myles Lewis-Skelly, Arsenal. Originally a midfielder, Lewis-Skelly shone at left back for Arsenal when injuries hit. His defensive tenacity, progressive play and ground duel win rate of 72% turned him into one of the season's most unexpected revelations. Number 2, Omar Mamouche, Manchester City. Omar Mamouche rise to prominence reached new heights after his surprise move to Manchester City. Many questioned the transfer at first. Could a player who impressed at Frankfurt truly thrive in Pep Guardiola's system? The answer came quickly. Mamouche slotted seamlessly into City's fluid front line, offering something different: directness, relentless energy and clever movement off the ball. Whether operating on the wing or as a false 9, he was clinical, finishing the season with 15 goals and 9 assists across all competitions. His ability to stretch defenses and create space for teammates made him a tactical asset. Mamouche didn't just adapt, he elevated his game, proving he belongs among Europe's elite. At number 1, it's Lamine Yamal. Yamal was simply different. At just 17 years old, he started for both Barcelona and Spain, becoming the youngest ever scorer at the Euros. with his dazzling dribbling and creativity, also his composure in key matches. Yamal's impact goes beyond his age. He may already be a generational player. So there you have it, 10 names that reshaped the 2024-25 season. These weren't just breakout players, they were game changers, the kind of talents who force managers to rethink plans and opponents to adjust system as the new season looms. Keep your eyes on these stars. These stories are just beginning. Let us know in the comments who impressed you the most and who might make this list next year. Like, subscribe and stay tuned for more deep dive football content. Until then, we'll see you in the next one.